Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to solve a common error in After Effects that happens during rendering. Sometimes, the render bar stops at a certain point and the program becomes unresponsive. If you face this issue, don't worry, I've got a simple solution for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Force close After Effects. The first thing we need to do is force close After Effects. To do this, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-S on your keyboard. Once Task Manager opens, find After Effects in the list of running programs, click on it, and then click End Task. This will close After Effects completely. Step 2. Now, reopen After Effects and open your project again. Once it's open, go to the top menu and click on Edit, then select Preferences and choose General. From there, go to the Memory and Performance section. In this section, you'll see an option called Enable Multi-Frame Rendering. Uncheck this box, then click OK to save your settings. Step 3. Render the video. With that done, let's try rendering the video again. Go to Composition in the top menu, select Add to Render Queue, and then click Render. This time, it should work without any issues. And that's it. This simple process should fix the rendering error and allow you to complete your project. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.